everyone, this is the first video on the creating games in the Roblox Studio series. Now you know that this is already a public game and I've already started doing this a lot.
Can we tell people how to come here in the first place?
Oh.
So we assume that people are familiar with the Roblox, right?
Yeah.
And then what do? You go to the... Rather than go to play game, you go to create, right? On the top left.
Yep.
We can't show you now because we try and then we fail.
Yeah.
You'll just
you have
record
no
the...
idea.
Yeah, it won't record this one. So we did a fail recording earlier.
Yeah, we did a fail
Wasted
recording.
20 minutes of our life.
Yeah.
But it's fine. So let's jump straight into the game creation. I'll let you take everybody through.
Yep.
Right.
Alright. So in this game, then I made 2 spawn points. Number 1 is here.
How do you make a spawn point?
You just search spawn point and just drag it.
Here
there's an invisible spawn point here. Alright. So anyway.
So everything here is added by you.
Yep.
Well, except all the landscape, right? The landscape, the mountains, and everything is there.
Yeah. Landscape was already there.
But everything else, including what, the fire, enemy, all this, you can add, right?
Yep.
Let's show everybody how you do it.
And look, this is an invisible spawn point.
Okay.
So you can either spawn here or there. So there's like 2 spawn points. If there's 2 spawn points,
maybe we start from the
start.
Yeah, we start from the start. What's the starting point?
Either here or there.
Oh, okay. The start point is the spawn point, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then maybe we just run us through what is some of the things that you can add. Oh, duck. Why are they on top of each other?
Well, because if you copy and paste it, that's what happens. And I also made some sword moves here so you can practice. And here's some cash. So this building is empty except for this lightsaber which I added.
Okay. Rather than tell people what we have added, why don't you add it and show people?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I think that's the
Alright,
point, right?
so let's show you how you actually add these thugs instead of showing you that I've added it. So this is technically a tree house. I don't wanna. Oh.
It is a tree house. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look like. Oh, what's this?
This is going under the map itself.
Okay, shall we not do that? And let's add in the enemies.
Though I've made an ally plane and an enemy plane.
Whoa.
So like technically 2 planes. Yep. This is the first plane.
But its
I don't know
wings are stuck on the pillar.
Ah!
Can we get it out?
We can, but we can't risk. But if we don't. But because it's stuck on the pillar, so we can't help it that much. Because we can accidentally select the parts of the tree house and actually take it out. And some of the pieces may be disconnected.
Wait, if I take out the foundation, will the whole house collapse? Doesn't work that way.
Here.
Okay, let's not try. Let's do it properly. Let's show everyone
one
by one how you, for example, build a house, add in the thugs, and
well, that's the easy way and the hard way. Which one should we do first?
Let's show everybody every
the
option.
Easy way or the hard way?
Yeah, the easy one, of course. Assuming people are new to this.
Yep, the easy way first.
Okay.
The easy way first is to search for the whole thing and drag the whole thing. Okay. So let's say
I want a Christmas tree here.
Yep. Yeah, so now you need to search for a cool Christmas tree. Then you take it out.
Okay, let's do
and
that.
Drag and drop it.
Shall we? Then show people how. You don't want a Christmas tree.
Of course I don't.
Okay.
What about a fine. What about an NPC?
Yeah, just choose an NPC. You just show, right? It doesn't matter what people. NPC killer. Wait, NPC killer.
Yeah.
It kills the NPC.
Yeah.
Oh, then it's a friend. Let's put it in.
Not bad.
Actually, who designed this anyway?
Oh, Squid Game God NPC.
Okay. Like, oh, this is so cool. Let's choose this and put it here.
Yeah, but it could be the enemy and instead shoots you, so
whatever, we are just showing.
Oh, noob killer NPC. Not bad.
Yeah, just put it in.
Alright, first so there's like different ways. So first you need to decide what to put and where to put and what will happen if you put it there. And what will happen to the character if you put it there. Oh yeah, it's not spawning properly, but I can see, but you can see the title, Noob Killer.
Yeah.
Why is it invisible? Is it invisible?
Is it supposed to show the whole thing?
It is.
Okay, maybe it's just loading.
Yeah, probably just loading.
Okay, so it's as simple as pull, drag and drop, right? That's
No, wait.
oh, okay, so you can accidentally delete something and then you can bring it back to, right?
Yep,
It's like cut
just
and
press
paste and
Control Z.
Control Z. Fair enough. And then all these things you added them by yourself, right? How do I choose a house to add? Okay.
Just here you search
In fact, you
house.
can have anything. I see. Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
How do you? Who gave you these choices? Did the people just design?
There's two ways. It can be from Roblox itself, or
Sure.
someone could have designed it.
Can we design it also? You and I? We can, right?
We probably can, but I don't know how.
Okay, then maybe it's worthy of the next tutorial.
Yep, worthy. Definitely worthy.
Okay, no, but we do the basic things first. We use whatever that's in the inventory, so to speak,
Yep.
right? Alright. Can we add in a few things so that we can show people that we have other things?
Yeah, we can add some more tags. Oh, look, I told you.
No, I don't. Oh, it's
The
here.
Squid Game.
You added in just now, is it?
Yep, but
But why is it here? I think there's something wrong, you know. You need to specify. Or is it the cube where you specify where it is?
of course not. This is the direction.
Okay, fair enough.
See?
Can we just build something here to show everyone that it actually works? Yeah, so that's the whole idea, right? So we just add in something, a house. Okay, cool. Might be too big. Okay, just a small house. Maybe, yeah.
Tree house.
Good. And hopefully.
Oh no, it's spawned on the wrong place. This is quite a big map, so I'm not sure where it could be.
I suspect that you need to press this to tell him that you want the thing to be spawned here.
You do? Oh, that's a good idea, actually.
Yeah, it's not an idea, it's a point that I'm trying to make. Then how do you make all this in the first place?
Because I just dragged it and dropped it there.
Can you stop moving around and just show people how it's done?
Alright. Alright, first you just choose a map. Alright, so where do we begin at?
Can we just drag something and show people that this
Sure.
works?
I'm just finding the blank space.
Okay.
Treehouse.
Tried that already, right? And it doesn't work. So perhaps it's not the right way to do it.
Yeah, so I just.
But actually, you have been using this to build other things, right?
Yep, I have.
So something is wrong today.
Yeah.
You have a dinosaur as well.
I do. No, I can't.
Okay. I think this gives a good idea already of how you can make your own game. I don't know if it's clear to everybody.
Yeah, so just tell us that it's not clear. So let's say that I selected this, you can Control C and Control V. See?
Okay, yeah, if we were to copy the left arm, so he's now doesn't
left
have...
armless. So you can actually select some random bits of the person and delete it.
Oh, that's so gruesome. Okay, I think we get the idea.
What if I delete his head?
His helmet, right? No, let's not do that. Okay, enough.
Yep, so I'm gonna delete this sinkhole.
Yeah, this doesn't make sense.
And ooh, this looks scary, so.
What's that?
I'm gonna delete this guy's butt.
Okay, maybe because it's too big, right? So if we'll just show a thug, for example, right? And hopefully thug NPC, hopefully this will work.
Yep. This is quite small actually.
There you go. So that's how you create the bad people and you place them, right?
Yep.
Yeah, this is definitely not the way to do this.
But it's good.
But yeah, maybe we do even like stairs, for example. I'm totally random, but if I want to put some stairs here,
not loading.
Not
bug.
Loading. It's a bug. Okay.
It's
Let's say maybe.
No, actually, it's not only today.
Hold on, yeah.
Give me the mouse. You see this thing at the top?
Yeah,
I
what's
wanted to
it
put it on the
floating?
ground, but then it fallen here.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a...
Wait, so let me teach you how to delete stuff. So you just click on it and press backspace.
Or you can select the whole thing, right? And then...
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really strange. Okay, can you
But it
define
looks good,
the
actually.
gravity? Everything is already defined for you, is it?
Yep. Except for some stuff.
Like what?
Like, you know, the stuff and the things that makes a game. Just like enemies, weapons,
Okay, you populate the
buildings.
natural laws of physics and everything is already there,
Yeah.
right?
So it's like so what's here is like something that's like in real life.
In real life, you don't have enemies stacked one on top of another.
No, as in the stuff in real life is already made. Wait, I think I know what happened to those noobs. I think I accidentally dropped them under here. Oh, I did. See.
Oh my goodness, these are so poor thing. Never mind. So they will just
Since when did I put a
have a
stair
lifetime
here?
of falling and being ignored because they are under the map.
Do you know that I also put half of the stairs under the map?
Okay, now I know we are 10 minutes past, so let's maybe start to explore this game that we have made.
Right. So you press test here.
Test.
So that's
And
play or play here. Play here, that means you spawn wherever you are, but here don't. Alright. So just press play. Alright. If you want to do it normal, just press play.
okay, let me try.
No. I'll try.
Come on. Okay, how do you start? Oh, it's loading.
I really hate that when it's loading because it takes so long sometimes. It's loading. It's still loading.
Okay. While it's loading, tell us how much time you spend making this map.
A few. No. The map is already there.
Yeah, the base of the map, right? The landscape and all
Yep,
this.
the landscape.
Oh man. Actually, I hope people can see this. We have had some problems showing the screen, right? I'm not sure if you can see this.
Oh, yeah, it's spawned here.
Let's keep this short. Right now, what we're doing is to play the game that
Yeah,
showed you earlier.
first we need to get weapons we can actually
To get the weapon that you placed, right? Let's keep this short because I'm not sure if you're shooting this. Let's just shoot people and see. Oh, it works. See the game because we have some problems. We have had some problems in the past.
So let me show you how you save it first. Let's hope it loads. Oh yeah, it's loaded.
Yeah, we forgot to save. Actually, we didn't make a lot of changes, right?
No, this one.
Okay, but we need to show.
Yet.
Yeah, we need to show people how you save. What do? You save Roblox.
Save to Roblox.
Okay. You need to publish so that other people can play.
Oh no, wrong button.
Don't click so many times. Just wait. See, now it's not responding. We are just waiting, and so after you save, it save. And
oh yes, it worked. I didn't.
Okay,
No,
you probably can't see this. Yeah. So
Stop.
how do you make this available for people to play?
I'm going to that part.
Good.
So
don't think people will see it multiple windows. So you need to go back to the
Oh dear, but I have no idea which one's the original one. Alright, so anyway, we just stop for now, alright? We just stop.
Okay, goodbye everyone.
Bye! I'm going to teach you how to save it in Obby 101 because we can't show you now with just multiple screens.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye!